At least they're not apology flowers this time around.
You don't like apology flowers?
No. Unmoshi kubunzengela ama-bloom.
Andizophinde ndikuthengele flowers ndandikumoshile.
Khona abantu ababuzayo ba, Tando, are you good? Are you happy, bra? Kule relationship ukuyo. Why nibuza bathi ingxaki you've lost so much weight? Ndidabo guys. Ndingaka nje ndagowa ndatyebe, and the time ndigona nicimba ndonwabile because I was gaining so much weight. Ngoku yintoni ingxaki?
Sani Bonani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is KZN Podcast, your podcast and everybody's podcast. Today we're speaking about Dando and Bash, who has released a statement saying that they have broken up and they have known each other for 10 years and they've been they've been dating for 5 years, and just a week ago they got engaged. This couple rose to fame just a year ago, 2 years ago, when everybody believed that Undando was the it girl and she was the best, she was the baddie, and she was asking boyfriend yakhe ukuthi imthengele i-Red Bull, and that's how they rose to fame. According to the videos, it looks like they've been having some problems, and everybody, or most people, they believe that girl deserves more and deserves a better man than this boy. They believe that she could date one of the richest men, and this boy was just Mchitela Eskati. However, it turns out the guy found the girl while she was working somehow in some township in East London, and wamfundisa, and now she is a qualified lawyer. So abantu abaningi ke babelieve ukuthi ugeli akamove on ayothola omunye umuntu, but ke the girl seems like uyamthanda guy, and after the rose to fame, girl now uphenduke like a bit of a slay queen. The way she dresses has changed. She shows bums and thighs a lot, and abantu abaningi, they were like, oh, okay, we thought you were different from the rest. Looks like you are all the same, or it just had to do with the fact that you are now famous and it's all in your head. So now, after they just got engaged, they have then released a statement saying that they have broken up and they would like for us, the public, to respect that and sibanikeze i-privacy. So abantu abaningi ke bahlukene phakathi. Abanye bathi nope, they didn't break up, they just decided to keep now the relationship private as they are engaged in a couple, so that we all gonna believe that bahlukene. But abanye bathi no, this couple injalo doesn't chase clouds, abafani no goslubu, therefore there's no need for them to do that. It means they have really broken up. And according to Ukai, the boy, he's posting, he doesn't look kind of bothered, and he's been doing videos saying yes, ageko right here go, but it really doesn't look like a person who is going through a lot, a person who is just broke up with the life of their life, and nobody says who decided to end the relationship. So it's either they are lying to us, or they've really broken up, or they just want some privacy and they realize that they just had to release a statement so that we don't pay much attention. Abanye abantu ke bathi they've seen them in the shops together. However, we are aware that now they no longer stay together. There's some distance with the other one becoming a lawyer, and the other one based in East London where he works full time. Anyway, whether they broken up or they just playing with us, we say good luck. It's okay. But these days relationships are just yeah, it's not going well.